Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of Vlogmas. So how did you guys like the first video so far? I have way more content coming for you guys for the rest of this Vlogmas. Your girl is actually under the weather. Out of nowhere, I woke up with a little cold. Not like a little cold, but like my throat kind of hurting. So I have been just making sure I've been taking my vitamins, some medicine. Last night I took some NyQuil. This morning I'm gonna take some DayQuil. I got me some my immune system tea. But yeah, the only thing is just my throat is a little scratchy. For today's agenda, let's pull out the to-do list. Alright, so for today, as you guys seen a clip of me, I went to the gym this morning. I woke up around, was it 4, 5 o'clock this morning. Went to the gym. I like to get in the gym early when nobody's there. I don't like being in the gym and trying to record when other people are in the gym. I don't know, that's just me. But I went to the gym. I need to clean my closet and cook dinner. Yeah, if I show y'all my closet, y'all gonna be like, Sharice, what the hell? I know, like, I have been busy traveling, and so I haven't been able to like clean my closet out, and I want to clean it out fully so that I can be able to pack, because I am going on a trip this Sunday. As for dinner, I'm going to grill some chicken. I have to get the energy up to either grill chicken or I'm gonna cook it in my Ninja. I just don't know which one I want to do yet. I'm outside actually with my laptop because I have to purchase my Secret Santa a gift. Hold on. So this year, me and my family, we do Secret Santa. And if you don't know what Secret Santa is, it's when everybody puts their name in a hat, somebody picks it out. Don't tell nobody who you have, and you get that person a gift. So I have to purchase my Secret Santa a gift because I want my gift to arrive here on time. So that's what I'm actually about to do in a few minutes. We don't just get our Secret Santa a gift, we also get the kids a gift and the dogs. So that's automatic. The kids get a gift and then your Secret Santa. Guys, my throat really sound horrible. But that's definitely not gonna stop me. Ooh, I need a new case. My case is broke. Okay, looks like I need to get me a new case for my laptop. Alright, so after I do this, guys, we're about to go and clean my closet and then season this chicken. I'm about to show y'all my closet, so don't get on me. It's a bit, look at that. I can't even open the door because I got stuff right here. Look at my closet, y'all. It's a hot ass mess. Hot mess. And then I got stuff behind the door. Like a hot ass mess. But it's time to get it together. So what I need to do, actually this bag I have, I'm selling those clothes, and then this bag is going to Goodwill. So I need to get that stuff up out of here. But yeah, this is my closet.
Hour later.
Alright, you guys, so I am done cleaning my closet. Floor is vacuumed. Purses is up neatly. Shoes organized. Everything is all clean now. Now I can walk in here. Let me update you guys on the kitchen. Okay, so I already showed you guys the bar stools. And then showed you the placemat, so if you get a little close. We have the cinnamon spice candle, Grinchy Grinch, because that's what you guys, the theme is Grinch this year. a little present, this box I decided to put there with some Pampers. I didn't show y'all this yesterday. Look what your girl done found. Definitely naughty. And my finished pieces to my ribbon bows. And at the top I added garland at the top all the way around to this side. I did not add bows on this side. I ran out, so I need to go get some more ribbons. And let me show you guys the tree. The tree is actually finished too. So with the green ribbons, I stuck them inside the trees. Look, y'all, Grinchy. So this is, I love these ornaments. These ornaments are so cute. I found these in Hobby Lobby. Superman. We got another Grinch. This one is going to be for the dogs, and then we have a family one right here. I'm gonna put our family portrait in that one. But this, what? There go Black Santa. There go Black Santa. But yeah, this is what our tree looks like, guys. I love it. My mom wants to put a star at the top. I necessarily don't, because I don't like putting anything at the top of my tree. I don't know why. But we're gonna find a star. But I'm really in love with this Grinch. I got him like right in the front. Mr. Head Honcho himself, Mr. Grinch. All right, you guys, so I'm actually going to end the video here. I'm not cooking dinner tonight only because we ended up going getting Chinese food. I still have the chicken in the refrigerator seasoned, so I'm cooking it tomorrow, which will be good and seasoned. That's gonna be bomb tomorrow. But I'm gonna end the video here, you guys, and I will see y'all on day 3 vlog. Bye.